lieu of marketing. If you haven't already, check out my previous video on working with slide layouts, which gives a breakdown of layouts. But what can you do now that you have copy and you want to make it more exciting? Well, let me show you, because today I'm going over font and paragraph functionalities. I'm going to take a deep dive into this font section. Here you can change the font size, increase font size, and decrease font size. Start with a slide layout that has body copy, then populate with your content. Titles are Arial 28 points, body copy is Arial 14 points. If you're unsure if what you have is right, use this clear formatting button. It resets the text to the formatting defined by our template. Bolding. Use sparingly for short stretches of text or headers. When you emphasize everything, nothing has emphasis. Underlining. Use for grammar's sake or sparingly for emphasis. Emphasizing underlines through our brand are thick and colorful. Select the text you'd like to emphasize. Go to Format, Font. Under Underline Style, select the third option. Then under Underline Color, select among blue, red, or green. Note though that green looks best on black slides and blue and red looks best on white slides. Italics, used for grammar's sake, never for emphasis. About colors, best practice is to stick to our theme. On white, avoid green text, but underlines and graphics are okay. On black, no blue text, graphics are okay. Moving on to this paragraph section, this bulleted list button allows you to create a bulleted list. Our default bullets are the circular stroke at level 1 and dash at level 2. If you want to edit the colors, open the drop-down menu, click on the Define New Bullet, and you can change the color here. Same for numbered lists. We recommend blue bullets over white and green bullets over black. Line spacing should always be set at 1.2. This bullet allows you to change the number of columns, but I recommend you choose the correct slide layout to begin with. Otherwise, when you click on Reset Layout to default settings, it might undo your efforts. Alignment can be adjusted here. Content is usually left aligned. This button allows you to choose where your text falls within the text box, top, middle, or bottom. Text box padding is the space between the text and the edge of the text box. To edit, go to Format and Text or Command T. In the text box section, make sure Do Not Autofit is checked. Here, under Internal Margin, you can set the padding in inches. Don't have too many font sizes because it can mess with the hierarchy. About 1 to 3 is a good number. Contrast can bring emphasis, like a large title in smaller text. Avoid too much copy. A good presentation is one that you can speak to, not read from. Thanks again for tuning in, and don't forget to join and comment the Blue of Marketing chatter group. I'll see you next time.